GCSE Maths, rationalizing the denominator under a minute. Let's go. Show that 24 over root 15 can be written in the form of a root 15 over b, where a and b are integers. So 24 over root 15, we have to rationalize this, and rationalizing the denominator means just remove the root term from the denominator. And since the root term is just a single term, that's the root term, you just have to multiply that same root term with the top and the bottom, numerator and denominator. So 24 times root 15 would just be 24 root 15, and root 15 times root 15 would just be root 15 square. Now square cancels the root and we're just left with 24 root 15 over 15, and if you see, it's exactly in the form of a root 15 over b. So a's value is 24 and b's value is 15. So the next question is, show that 7 over 2 plus root 3 can be written in the form a minus b root 3, where a and b are integers. So we have 7 over 2 plus root 3. So we still have to rationalize the denominator here, but since there are two terms in the denominator getting added, what we do is we just change the sign and multiply it with the numerator and the denominator. So whatever the denominator is, so it will just become 2 minus root 3 over 2 minus root 3. And if we multiply it, so 7 times 2 would just be 14, and then 7 times negative root 3 would just be negative 7 root 3, and the denominator would just be 2 add root 3, so 2 add root 3 times 2 take away root 3. Now denominator is just in the form of a plus b times a minus b, and a plus b times a minus b would just be a square minus b square. So it will just be 14 minus 7 root 3 over a square, which will just be 2 square minus b square, which is just root 3 whole square. Now if we try to simplify it, it's just 14 minus 7 root 3 over 2 square is 4 minus, now square cancels the root, it will just be 4 minus 3, and that will just be 14 minus 7 root 3 over 1, and that is just 14 minus 7 root 3, and it is perfectly in the form that the examiner asked, a minus b root 3. Now DM rationalize, and I'll share 5 more practice questions with you.